Hey there! Are you someone who's always on the lookout for cool and practical gadgets that can make your life easier? Well, then you are in luck because we got a list of 7 of the coolest EDC gadgets out there. These gadgets are designed to make your everyday tasks a breeze, whether you are at home, at work, or out and about. From compact flashlights to multi-tools and high-tech gizmos, we've got it all covered in this video. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some of the coolest EDC gadgets that will take your daily grinds to the next level. Starting with the LEATHERMAN Rebar Multi-Tool, perfect for those who need a reliable tool for various tasks. Made from stainless steel, it features 17 different functions including a saw, knife, can opener, bottle opener, and screwdrivers. One of its main strengths is its locking system, which keeps each tool in place during use. The compact size and included sheath make it easy to carry around, making it a great choice for those on the go. While it may not have as many functions as some other multi-tools, its sturdy construction and dependable performance make it a worthwhile investment. Overall, the LEATHERMAN Rebar is a solid choice for anyone who needs a high-quality multi-tool for everyday use. Next on the list is the edcfans Keychain Knife, a reliable tool that won't weight you down and is perfect for anyone who's always on the go. This compact knife is designed to be carried with you wherever you go, whether on your keychain, in your pocket, or attached to a backpack. Despite its small size, the edcfans Keychain Knife is surprisingly capable thanks to its high-quality stainless steel blade that can handle a variety of everyday tasks. Additionally, the knife features a locking mechanism that ensures the blade stays securely in place during use. Overall, the edcfans Keychain Knife is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a lightweight and functional knife for everyday use. Third on the list is the TG Plasma Lighter, which uses advanced plasma technology to create a windproof flame that is perfect for lighting fires in any weather conditions. This lighter is not only durable and weather-resistant, but it's also eco-friendly, making it an excellent choice for anyone who values sustainability. Unlike traditional lighters that require the use of butane or other harmful chemicals, this lighter is rechargeable with a USB cable and it doesn't produce any harmful emissions. Whether you are camping, hiking, or simply need a reliable lighter for everyday use, the TG Plasma Lighter is an excellent investment that is sure to meet all your needs. Up next is the KeySmart Key Holder, a compact and practical solution for anyone tired of carrying around a bulky keychain. This handy device allows you to organize your keys in a sleek and minimalist design, making it easy to carry your keys in a pocket or bag without any fuss. This key holder can hold up to 8 keys, and its unique design allows you to easily access each key without having to fumble through a bunch of other keys. Additionally, the KeySmart can be customized with a variety of accessories such as a bottle opener, USB drive, or pocket clip. Overall, the KeySmart Key Holder is an excellent investment for anyone looking to streamline their everyday carry. Moving on, we have the VIPERADE PJ8, a versatile and functional sling bag that is perfect for anyone who needs to carry their gear on the go. This well-designed bag features multiple compartments and pockets, allowing you to easily organize and access your items. The bag is made from high-quality materials, including water-resistant nylon and durable zippers, ensuring that your gear stays safe and dry. One of the standout features of the PJ8 is its adjustable strap, which allows you to wear the bag on either your shoulders or across your body for added security. Overall, the VIPERADE PJ8 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and functional bag for everyday use, travel, or outdoor activities. The sixth gadget on our list is the WUBEN G2. Designed to provide powerful illumination in a compact and portable package, making it a great choice for anyone who needs to light up dark spaces or navigate outdoor environments. Despite its small size, the WUBEN G2 mini flashlight keychain is packed with features. It boasts a rechargeable battery that can be charged with a USB cable as well as a powerful LED bulb that can handle a range of common tasks. Additionally, the flashlight is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it is durable and long-lasting. Overall, the WUBEN G2 mini flashlight keychain is an excellent investment for anyone who values reliability, portability, and convenience in their everyday carry. Finally, we have the Evergreen 56, a must-have accessory for anyone who needs to protect their gear from the elements. This rugged and durable case is designed to keep your valuables safe and dry in even the wettest conditions. The case is made from high-quality materials and features a water-resistant seal, ensuring that your gear stays dry and protected. Additionally, the case is equipped with customizable foam padding, allowing you to create a secure and snug fit for your items. The Evergreen 56 is an excellent investment for anyone who needs to protect their gear while on the go. Its durable construction, customizable padding, and water-resistant seal make it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and functional protective case. So, that was all about the 7 coolest EDC gadgets that will make your life easier. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as we always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about our latest videos. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.